Welcome back to Sakura Simulator. Today in Sakura Simulator, something crazy is happening. Two police teams are facing each other in a huge battle. The city is full of tension and nobody knows who will win. The first police team arrives with patrol cars and blocks the road. Suddenly, another police team appears from the opposite side. Both sides start arguing, and within seconds, the situation turns into a massive fight. Police cars rush forward, sirens are screaming, and officers begin firing at each other. The streets become a battlefield. Vehicles crash. Explosions happen everywhere and the city is thrown into chaos. One team tries to take control of the area, but the other team refuses to back down. The battle gets more intense every second. Who will survive this police versus police showdown? Watch till the end to see the final winner of this epic Sakura Simulator battle. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing Sakura Simulator videos on Super Simulator. Let's continue the action.